Well, we are here in the Wisconsin Dells. As you guys can see me right here, I got the living legend, Ed Ballou. Wearing one of our Aquascapes of Michiana t-shirts, got him one. And here we go, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, my buddy Dave Mikowski, right there. It's right here. It's literally right there. This little guy right here.
How about that little fella?
Oh, that little guy. I wouldn't worry about that little guy.
Gotcha. Got him his own t-shirt right there. Yes, put it on. That's what we're filming. So we got Ed. Ed's got his Aquascapes of Michiana t-shirt. And we got Dave.
Oh, nice.
Dave's got it.
Wilson.
That's Wilson. Wilson, you gotta put it on, man.
No, this is double X I'm giving back to you.
Oh, this is the double X. Yeah, well, where's the other one?
No.
So yeah, we are here in the Wisconsin Dells. We are at Aloha. As you guys see, great lake right here behind me. I'm actually standing in the basin here, guys. And right here behind me, you guys can see this is where we're gonna be putting in the great Pondless waterfall here at the new resort, Aloha, Natura. I might have shown you guys a couple things in the Wisconsin project about Natura, the recreational pond that they've got there. They've actually got two now. It is open, it is running, it is going. Yes! Oh boy, Chris Wilson, my sales rep for Aquascape, wearing the Aquascapes of Michiana shirt. Love it.
This is awesome! This is awesome!
Love seeing everybody wearing the t-shirts. Love it. As you guys can see, we've got a nice Pondless waterfall going in right here. We're gonna start up there. Obviously gonna come down, gonna come down, gonna come down again, gonna come down into here, and then go right into our Pondless Basin. It's going what way? It's going that way.
Yeah, right.
Dave said it's going that way. It's going right into the pool. I'm so excited. We're gonna do this thing.
Was that sarcasm?
No.
Was that sarcasm?
Yes.
Was that sarcasm?
So we just excavated a whole bunch of stuff we didn't need to excavate. We're gonna go ahead and get underlayment in. We're gonna get the liner in, and then tomorrow is actually when we're gonna start building. We're here early, and they see Chris Yax here from Aquascapes of Michiana, and they're like, hey, big guy's here. We're gonna get some more stuff done. Yeah, of course, they talked me into working on the day we're not supposed to be working. So, all right, here we go. Underlayment's coming in. Liner's following behind it. We're gonna get this thing done.